Sa ngalan ng Rotary Club of Lipa South, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong lahat sa pagdalo at pagtangkilik dito sa ating first Rotary Club of Lipa South Invitational Golf Tournament. Ang tournament na ito ay ginawa natin upang magkaroon tayo ng mga pondo para masuportahan ang mga projects ng Rotary tungkol sa 7 areas of focus of Rotary International. Sana kayo ay nag-enjoy at mag-i-enjoy pa dito sa ating fellowship afternoon. Maraming salamat muli at ito po si Chito Recto na handang maglingkod sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa mga naglaro, nag-participate at lalong-lalo na sa aming mga sponsor. Maraming salamat sa inyo at ito'y naging successful din.
Rotary Club of Lipa South. Thanks for inviting us to this tournament. Having a great day so far. Hopefully, we have a better front nine. Thank you.
Greetings to Rotary Club of Lipa. More power and God bless all the members and members of the committee of this golf tournament. Mabuhay kayo!
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Lipa South! Woo!
Congratulations po para sa first tournament ng Rotary South Lipa.
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Lipa South!
Mabuhay kayo!
Joining our tournament! Yo!
Happy golfing!
Experience maganda. This is my second time dito sa Summit Point and yung kanilang green is very challenging.
Okay na okay po itong inyong pa-tournament.
Congratulations!
po. RC Lipa South, congratulations! Yes, nice. Ayos. Mauulit. Ang galing.
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Lipa South.
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Lipa South!
Gracias por invitación. La Deportiva la Golf para ayúdame a todos del mundo. Gracias. Mi nombre es Eduardo Felipe Garcia. Gracias.
I'm a proud member of RC Lipa South.
Congratulations, Rotary Club Lipa South.
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Lipa South, on their first Invitational Golf Tournament.
Job well done from Rotary Club of Tanawan.
Congratulations, Rotary Club of Lipa South.
Let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
Welcome you all to the Rotary Club of Lipa South, first Invitational Golf Tournament. This is the very first time we conducted this kind of event. And this won't be a success without your participation, without the help of our sponsors, without the help of our club members, and with each and every one of you. Thank you po.
The best day for golf, and we thank God for this moment and time. Nagkasama-sama po tayo. Palakpakan po natin ang ating sarili. So let's just run. We've only just begun. So let's just run. Our time has finally come. So let's just run.
We have fun. Congratulations in advance, Rotary Club of Lipa South. Success ang ating golf tournament.
Congratulations, RC
Lipa
Lipa
South.
South. Yay!